6B, Ellsworth, outbound from the Walmart stand to the YTC. Leaving a stop at the Walmart time point, you're going to continue eastbound on Ellsworth, getting over to your left lane. To come to the traffic light, which is at Hewitt Road, you will be making a left turn. Again, this is the 6B outbound from the Walmart time point stop to the YTC, Ypsilanti Transit Center. Making our left turn at the traffic light here at Hewitt. Immediately after the turn, there's a stop. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Congress Street. We will make a right turn at Congress. After the turn, there's a stop approaching. Stop approaching on the utility pole. Stop approaching on the utility pole, which services the Country Meadows apartment complex. There is a bus stop at the stop sign at Mansfield. Bus stop at the stop sign approaching. After the stop sign, we want to continue straight forward on Congress. On the right side is Recreational Park. There is a bus stop at the stop sign. This is a time point here at Recreational Park. North Summit here at the stoplight. Just on the other side of this intersection is a bus stop hanging from the utility pole. approaching. There is a bus stop approaching just before you reach the traffic light. Note to stop. At this traffic light is where Congress and Michigan meets. You're going to continue straight forward through the traffic light and you will become Michigan. Continuing on to Michigan. See our stop approaching. This will be the last stop that we will service on Michigan Avenue. The last stop that we will service prior to reaching the YTC, the Ypsilanti Transit Center. We will continue on Michigan Avenue until we reach Huron Street. It's there we will make our left turn. Passing Washington. Huron is the last light before the decline. Make our left turn here at Huron. Making our left onto Huron. The first street that we come to is Pearl Street. We're gonna make a left turn onto Pearl. After going through the stop sign, we're going to pull into the stand. And this will conclude our inbound 6B, outbound 6B from the Walmart to the YTC, Ypsilanti Transit Center.